For more optimization and multitasking, you can create multiple virtual desktops. Having multiple desktops can also be beneficial in avoiding a cluttered desktop if you have a lot of files opened. To access this within the taskbar, go ahead and select the Task View button. Notice that in Task View that you have all of your windows available. Down below, go ahead and select on New Desktop. Now you have a completely new desktop open with more room to open up more windows. If you would like to move over a previous window onto your new desktop, simply go back to View Desktop, hover over the desktop that has the window, and then drag and drop the window of your choice into the new desktop. Now you'll have windows open in Desktop 1 as well as Desktop 2. To quickly navigate in between desktops without going through Task View, simply use the shortcut WinV Control and then the arrows. Notice that I'm accessing both desktops with ease. Doing so will help provide more space to work with and to avoid clutter within all of your windows.